with 5 chains. So to form a circle, join here to the first chain with a slip stitch. Now we form the circle. If you see gap here, we are working inside this. So hold circle properly with these two fingers, one finger down, one finger top, so that it will be easy to work around the circle. When you are first you are working here, so you are holding it like this. So after that slowly turn and hold here. So after slip stitch you have to make 3 chains. Then 2 double crochets from inside the circle here. So yarn over, insert inside the circle, pull up the loop, again grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops and again grab, pull through 2 loops. If you see the height of the stitch, that is equal to these 3 single crochet. So again one more double crochet. After chain 3 I did 2 double crochets. So this also will count as a double crochet. So 1 2 3, this side we are done with 3 stitches. So after this make 3 chains and again 3 double crochets from inside the circle. See how I am holding the circle. This is important. Holding circle properly. So my 3 double crochets done. Now chain 3. And again 3 double crochets. Once you know the technique and way to insert, how to do the stitches, patterns help you a lot to make any design. So try to follow either written pattern or a diagram. Now 3 chain and again 3 double crochets. After this 3 chain, 1 3. Now for closing this round 1, we have to insert in the third chain of the first 3 chains, 1 2 3. This is the third chain. Here we have to insert and make a slip stitch. So first round is done like this. So these are the corners, this is the sides. What we do in round 2, here we have to make 3 double crochets, 3 chain and 3 double crochet. That is the corner pattern. We repeat this in each corner. In the square, granny square, we always work in the spaces. We are not doing any stitches, we are not working on any stitch, only space. Here in the center we worked all the stitches, and after finishing first round 1 2 3 4, So we are seeing 4 spaces. So we work here, and these 4 are corners. So in corner, in whatever length you are increasing, corner you always repeat 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet. So just remember that, so it will be easy. And here, so this, after when you are going to the next round, always make 3 chains. I'm done with 3 chains. So here, this I'm calling this as a 3 double crochet cluster. So on the top of this we have to make 1 chain. So 1 2 3 4, 4 chains. After 4 chains, 3 double crochets in this space, 3 chain space. Three double crochets, again chain 3. We are working in the corner. Again 3 double crochets in the same space. Here many confused in the first class. They are doing in this, working in this space. That's why always hold where you are working, this space. So again insert here only. See, this is the corner. 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. This is the corner for pattern. In each corner we work this. So next is this cluster. So we do 1 chain and next work in this space corner. 3 double crochets. Three chain, 3 double crochets. So then here chain 1. Now again 3 double crochets. Three chain, 3 double crochets. So always check, you have to in this space always we are working 6 double crochets here. So check where you are doing. Then chain 1, then again this corner 3 double crochet. Three chain. Here this is the last corner. So if you are able to see, this is the first 4 chains we made. So here we do only 2 double crochet last time. 1 2, and these chains count as 1 double crochet. So count 3, 1 2 3. In the third chain do a slip stitch to close the second round. 2 rounds are done, if you see. So for the third round, now you are able to see how many spaces in third round. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in all these spaces we have to work double crochets. So corner, we know the pattern. Corner always do 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochets here, here and here. So that is same. And here we are getting here one space extra. So in this we do 3 double crochets. Here 3 double crochets, 3, 3. So wherever we are getting these 3 double crochet cluster, here we do one chain, here we do one chain, one chain, one chain. So like this we are increasing the rows. You can increase according to your length. So I will tell you the third round now. So after slip stitch, make 3 chains and see where it is. It is in this, I am calling this one chain space. So here we are working 3 double crochet. So already this is, we are counting as 1 to make 2 double crochets. We are working in the side space. Always on the sides we make 3 double crochets and chain 1. So after that chain 1. Now this is the corner. Corner we work 3 double crochets, three chain, 3 double crochets in the same space here. Always check your work after finishing each step, so that will be easy for you to make perfect shape. If any mistake is there, then just you can take these steps. See, this is the corner we formed. In this space we work 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 2 double crochet. After that chain 1, 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. Now again here on this cluster 3 we have to make a chain 1, and in this chain 1 space, here in this space we work 3 double crochets side. 1, 2, insert inside this space 3. So after that chain 1, and again corner 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochet, corner step done. So again sides, so sides we do one chain. After that in this space 3 double crochets, and again here chain 1. So corner again 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets in the same space. So again chain 1, here 3 double crochets, and chain 1 here, chain 1, again 3 corner, 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. See, corner is down. Now we are left with this. So here on the top of this we do chain 1, then join here with a slip stitch to the first chain of third chain of the 3 chains starting we did. To close the round 3 slip stitch. So 3 rounds done. And if you want to do one more round, make chain 3 and we'll repeat the steps. You always check on the top of this we do 1 chain, so make 1 more chain, and in this space 1 chain space we work 3 double crochets, so we do 3 double crochets here. We work 3 chain 1, after chain 3 chain 1, 3 double crochet, again chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the corner. So like this you just extend this